Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you guys what this is here. It should be like a dishwasher vent assembly, and I'll show you guys what this is and how it will work. I'll give you some basics of it. Let's see if I can open it up. I have a knife somewhere. So this is what it looks like here. So you see inside there's a little fan. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can with the light. And then it will, when you attach it on, it'll kind of fix here and turn. It's made nice solid plastic on there. Let's see if we can open it up here. And boy, it's hard to do with a bad finger. Okay, so I have a bad thumb. Okay, but so this is the inside of it here. And you can see there's the fan that fits in there. And here's all the electronic components that you need and the little thing here to make it kind of go, and a little clip to clip it on there. So it looks like, I guess when it goes, it will push out, you see, so the vent to vent it like that. So when it goes, when the little solenoid goes, it will do that to make it work. And then we've got the fan here that connects up into here as it was. And that is the device. Let's see, did I hook it up right like that? Sorry, I'm not able to put it back together perfectly here at the moment. Why am I not? What am I stuck on? I don't know. Well, you get the idea. It'll go back in. It's just not lining up for me right now. I think because the fan isn't put in there. And I think I just moved this thing here moved on me. But you see, that's how it'll plug in with the little port. But it seems like it's going to work good and do what it needs to do for the venting of the dishwasher. So totally cool. I like it. Thumbs up.